Equations of lines and curves is our new topic we are going to see. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So under this topic, you will be able to draw curves and lines given their points or equations. So our task here is how can you identify a line? Can you draw a line when we give you an equation to that line or points on that line or that curve? When you know that, the rest are going to be very easy. So in the groups of 4, plot the points. So can we plot these points? So we're going to plot those points. How do you notice? What do you notice? Give any 2 more points. Join the points. Describe what you observe. Okay. So now groups, can we start on to this? So we have, these are the points we have there. Okay, so let us start that. You have 4. Okay. Your group is through. Okay, so 5 minutes are done. So let us use group A here. So group A, they are handy here. They are plotted. Of course, everyone has seen now for now. You know how to plot. So 2, negative 1, 2, negative 1 is here. We plot it. Then 2, 0, 2, 0 is here. Then 2, 2 is here. Then 2, 3 is up there. So what do you notice? So these ones are saying lines, points are uniform. So I didn't ask that points are uniform. That's one of the things they are not seeing. That points are uniform. Uniform how? Okay, is there another group with another observation? Yes? Points follow each other. Another group, they are saying points follow each other. Okay, join the points. So this one is joined. Let me also join the points. We join the points. So since we plotted the these are our points. So join the points. So we have joined. So these are the points we joined. So after joining, describe what you observe. What do you observe? They said points form a straight line. So E, they said points form a straight line. A straight line. That's what we are able to get there. Okay. Give any 2 points, any 2 more points. So can you give more points? So if this is our line, can you give more points? It's going beyond this. So here they gave me 2, negative 2. So they are part C. They have 2, negative 2. Then they have 2, 4. Then they have 2, negative 3. So I think we can end at that. So you see that whenever this one is, whenever you join points, when you start they are having, for them they are saying, one group say they are following each other. So this one we say these points are forming a line. So that's what we have there. So new groups, plot the following, state the equation of a line. So if they don't represent this equation of a line, in the previous session we saw these ones. These ones are called vertical lines. So which equation is that? Can you say the equation? It's what? X equaling to 2. These ones are very easy to state whenever they are vertical. Okay, so new groups, can we handle this? Okay, as also handle mine. Okay, I have negative 2, negative 1, which is here. Negative 1, which is here. 0, negative 1, negative, which is there, to negative 1, which is there. Okay, state the equation. So we set the equation after joining. So can we join? So if we join these ones here, this is what we are having in that order. So that's what we get after joining. So which equation is that? Which equation is that? Y equaling to negative 1. We describe these ones as horizontal lines. I think we see it's cutting the x-axis there. I mean the y-axis. So can we join this one? Can we for these ones? We have negative 1, 1. I think now plotting is the easiest, which is here. Then we have 0, 0, which is the origin. Then 1. So, and then we do what? We join. These ones are just plot and join. So we are plotting and we join. Okay, when you come to this, the same. We have negative 2, 2, negative 2, 2, which is there. Then we have 0, 0. Then we have 1, negative 1, which is there. Plot and join. So this was the simplest exercise. Okay, so that's the I'll put it that we join like that. Okay, the next plot and join, we have negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, which is here. Then 0, 1, 0, 1 is where? 0, 1, then 2, 3, 2, 3, which is exactly there. Then we join. I think you can see that's how I'm able to join. So all the groups, I think most of them are having that. They are able to plot and join properly. So for joining, for plotting all these points, we gave 2 marks. Then joining, we gave 1 mark. Then also here, we gave 2 for plotting. Then joining 1. So this one is 3 out of 3. Then the same case here, and so the case there. So this is group 3A and 4. So they are having most of them very, very right. So that's what we go now. I want you to note something. What can you say about these ones? These are equations of lines. These are equations of lines. They are straight. Of course, line is straight even if you don't put straight. A line is straight. So you see, those are the equations of lines. But these ones we call them slanting lines. These ones we call them horizontal. Then these ones vertical. So those are the lines we have. So we are going in the next there up to we shall see how do we get these lines. How do we know that this is going to be slanting? This one is not going. It's going to be slanting downwards. Or this one is going to be slanting upwards from left to right. So we are going to see those in senior 2. For now, our focus is on just protein. Okay, so that's it now. You are going to go and try to put this into your books as in your notebook. Then you write all the things, you put them in your notebook, and then you try out that activity that I'm going to leave with you. Okay.